It stands as a shimmering needle piercing the sky, a monumental symbol of ambition and human ingenuity. More than just a skyscraper, it's a vertical city, a modern wonder of the world. We're talking, of course, about the Burj Khalifa. At over 828 meters, or 2,717 feet tall, it's not just the world's tallest building, it's a colossal challenge in engineering, design, and logistics. But how do you build something so incredibly massive, so impossibly tall? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of the Burj Khalifa's construction, and I promise you, some of these facts will make your jaw drop. The story of the Burj Khalifa begins with Dubai's ambitious vision to transform its economy from oil-dependent to a global hub for tourism, finance, and luxury. They wanted an icon, a statement to the world. The task fell to architects Adrian Smith and the firm Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, or SOM. They faced an unprecedented challenge: how to make a building stable at such extreme heights. Their solution was ingenious: the buttressed core design. This unique Y-shaped three-wing structure is not just for aesthetics or maximizing views. Each wing effectively buttresses the others, strengthening the central core and making the entire building incredibly stable against wind forces and gravity. It was essentially the world's first vertically braced frame. And here's an amazing fact you might not know. The entire groundbreaking design, with its spiraling pattern and tapering setbacks, was actually inspired by a tiny but beautiful desert flower. It's called the Hymenocallis flower, with its three petals radiating from a central stem. From a delicate blossom to the world's tallest structure. Building something this tall on sand might sound like a recipe for disaster, but the engineers had a plan. The Burj Khalifa sits on a massive reinforced concrete mat, which is supported by 192 concrete piles, each one 1.5 meters in diameter and driven over 50 meters deep into the ground. Think about the sheer volume of material here. The amount of concrete used for just the foundation alone, that massive mat and those deep piles, was equivalent to over 330,000 cubic meters. To put that into perspective, that's enough concrete to fill more than 100 Olympic-sized swimming pools. As the tower rises, its spiraling design and setbacks play another critical role. They confuse the wind, preventing it from forming organized vortexes that could cause destructive oscillations. This clever design distributes the wind loads evenly. Even with this genius design, the very top of the Burj Khalifa still experiences movement. Here's another incredible fact. In high winds, the tip of the Burj Khalifa can actually sway by several feet, up to 1.5 meters or about 5 feet. It's designed to do that, flexing safely to dissipate the wind's energy. Building this skyscraper was a round-the-clock global effort. Over 12,000 workers from more than 100 countries were on site during peak construction. The sheer logistics of moving materials and people vertically was staggering. The building used over 330,000 cubic meters of concrete and 55,000 tons of steel rebar. But how do you get concrete to over half a mile high? Here's a mind-boggling feat. The Burj Khalifa broke the world record for pumping concrete to the highest point in any building. They pumped concrete to a height of over 606 meters, 1,988 feet. That's higher than any other building in the world today. Special high-pressure pumps and custom concrete mixes were developed just for this project. 3 massive sky cranes were used to lift materials, dismantling themselves as the building rose. Their precision and power were astounding. At its most intense, construction was incredibly fast. Get this. During the busiest periods, the construction teams were completing an entire new floor every 3 days. Imagine that speed and coordination, building over 160 stories in just a few years. Dubai's intense summer heat, often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, 104 Fahrenheit, posed a significant challenge for concrete pouring. If concrete dries too quickly, it loses strength. The solution? To combat the scorching heat, builders literally added ice to the concrete mix during the day and then poured the concrete at night. This allowed the concrete to cure properly, maintaining its strength in extreme conditions. Then there's the glass facade. Over 26,000 glass panels, covering an area equivalent to 17 football fields. Cleaning all that glass at those dizzying heights is a job for superheroes. Here's another wild fact. It takes a team of specialized window cleaners using custom-built cleaning units that rappel down the exterior, roughly 3 to 4 months to clean the entire exterior of the Burj Khalifa. And as soon as they finish, it's pretty much time to start all over again. The Burj Khalifa isn't just an observation deck, it's a fully fledged vertical city. It houses the luxurious Armani Hotel, over 900 residential apartments and corporate suites. Moving people around this giant requires serious speed. It boasts the world's fastest and tallest double-deck elevators, zipping people up at speeds of up to 10 meters per second, about 33 feet per second. Imagine riding that. And the logistics continue. Water supply. The building's daily water supply is equivalent to about 25 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Electricity. At peak times, its electricity consumption is equivalent to about 360,000 100-watt light bulbs burning simultaneously. The Burj Khalifa stands as a global landmark, pushing the boundaries of what's technologically possible and inspiring a new generation of super towers. It's a testament to vision, innovation, and international collaboration. From a desert flower's inspiration to ice in the concrete and a sway that keeps it standing tall, the Burj Khalifa is more than just a record breaker. It's a living monument to human ambition, proving that with enough ingenuity, daring, and collaboration, we can truly build anything, even touch the clouds. What fact about the Burj Khalifa blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more incredible stories of human achievement, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.